How to teach writing. Introduction. How to teach writing start by looking at the process that a competent speaker of English goes through after they teach to write a page of text, and at how our understanding of this has implementation for the way we should approach the teaching of writing. The second chapter is a discussion of various types of writing or genres and of the roles of genre study in teaching writing. From the beginning, some of the earliest writing found so far that from about 5,500 years old. This was of in 190,099 at the place called Harappa in the region where the great Harappan of Indus civilization was flourished. There is incomplete argument about the meaning of the symbols that were discovered. While larger written, it is only in the last 200 years or so that literacy that is being able to write and write has been seen as a desirable skill for world populations. Before that, it was most likely to be used by rules of church and states only. Too much knowledge was not thought to be a good things for the majority of the working population. How people write, because writing is used for a wide variety of purposes in the product in many different forms. The shopping list below, for example, writing over a couple of days as short text in the kitchen write notice, is a type of writing that many people who make not think of themselves as writers as a matter of course. This process may, of course, be affected by the content of the writing, the type of writing, and the medium it is written in, but in all of times, such it is suggests that the process has four main elements: planning, drafting, editing, and final version. Writing and speaking. We need to consider the similarities and differences between writing and speaking, both in terms of their form and in the process that writers and speakers go through to procedure language, time and space, participants, process, organization and language, signs and symbols, and the product. Implementation for learning and teaching. A consideration of the writing process and of who speaking and writing are related to each other, especially in a world of hanging communication. Media is not only of academic interest, it also has implications for the way we teach writing, the way we get students to plan, the way we encourage them to draft, reflect, and revise, the way we respond to our student writing, and the process draft. Conclusion. In the chapter we have looked at the origins of writing. Number 1. Discussion the importance and desirability of literacy and memory, not less because many exams are writing based. Detailed the element of the writing process and how they relate to each other. Discussion. The difference between speaking and writing is time of the time and space, participant, process, language, and thank you so much for watching and listening.